Hey, turn on the heater, guys. It's pretty cold in here. It's on.
Die! No!
Oh!
Yes! Simon!
What?
Come here, we're gonna play Red Rover, Red Rover. Here's how you play. You're gonna stand on that one side. Me and him are gonna try and interlock our arms, and you're gonna try and bust right through.
Okay.
That's the point of the game.
That's all you have to
Get over
do.
there. Get over there. Alright, let's see. Try and bust right through. Hey! Hey, I found a snake, man. Get over here.
You serious?
Yes!
Sweet.
Get over here.
Oh! Oh!
Ah, it's a beautiful damn pig.
James!
James, happy birthday, man! Simon! Hey, look at my new taser. Dude.
Where are the fireworks?
Hurry up. Dude! Come on! What? Dude, you have to see this. Get over here. Hurry up. Hurry up. Get over here. Get over here. Oh, God.
Windex starts working even before you wipe.
Who wants some water?